brought our students here today so they know all about flying drones and how that relates to journalism, whether it's flying over fires, going to a concert and getting some crowd coverage. We want to make sure they do it within the legal limits of the law.
So the Conestoga College students were here today learning about a little bit of introduction to drones. So how to use the technology, how to fly the drones, and a little bit about how they fly. Absolutely, most people have a lot of fun when they come and fly. Today's group was exceptional flying, and it's funny because you can see their skill improve in just an hour in the hangar. Most common questions are how to fly under current regulations, that is constantly changing, so we get a lot of questions about that. And mistakes are sometimes people think they are able to fly where they're flying, and the truth is that they're not. As well, if you can come and get a little bit of theory with practical flying, it's a great pairing.
So here we are today having a great time, and I hope someday that if you're interested in the journalism program, you'll come to Conestoga.